Where do biomes transition in ecology? Have you ever wondered where one biome ends and another begins? The answer lies in special areas called ecotones. These are unique zones where two different biomes or ecosystems meet and blend together. The transition can be sharp or gradual, depending on various environmental factors like climate, soil type, and even the local topography. At its core, a biome is a large ecological community defined by its climate and dominant vegetation. Think of forests, deserts, and grasslands. When you move from one biome to another, the environment changes in ways that impact which plants and animals can thrive there. This creates a transition zone rather than a sudden shift. Biome transitions often occur in places with environmental gradients. For example, mountain slopes are great transition zones. As you ascend, the climate and vegetation change with the altitude. You can find a mix of species from different biomes along these slopes. Another example is the transition between wetlands and upland areas. Here, tidal wetlands meet adjacent upland habitats. This area is characterized by changes in soil moisture and salinity. It supports specialized plants and animals and plays a vital role in ecosystem services, such as flood control and habitat connectivity. Desert and woodland boundaries also show gradual transitions. As moisture availability and soil conditions shift, you can find species from both desert and woodland biomes coexisting. These transition zones are ecologically significant. They often have higher biodiversity due to the edge effect. This means species from both biomes, along with some unique to the ecotone, can coexist. They also serve as sensitive indicators of environmental change. For instance, shifts in climate can noticeably affect species distributions and ecosystem functions in these areas. From a practical standpoint, understanding where biomes transition is essential for conservation and land management. These zones can be critical for species migration and adapting to climate change. They also help maintain ecosystem services like water filtration. Protecting these areas, especially in coastal or mountainous regions, is vital for preserving biodiversity. As environmental conditions change, these transition zones can help ensure ecosystem resilience. In essence, biomes transition in ecotones, zones shaped by environmental gradients where species from adjacent biomes mix and interact. These areas are key to ecological diversity and function, making their study and protection important in environmental science.